To be a manufacturer is to balance between the highest possible production and the best operational costs, between minimizing your total cost of ownership and staying ahead of competition. As a service partner, we understand the importance of guaranteeing utmost safety and the value of keeping a good reputation. We understand the challenges you face when it comes to reducing carbon footprint and dealing with rising energy and maintenance costs. We know, and we are here to keep your production going, no matter what. But to us, that's not enough. Our mission is to help you make it better, safer, and more efficient every day. Since 1886, we offer and develop integrated solutions and provide you with the exact right parts in the most carefree way. We are KLINGER.